Hello students, today we will do questions based on remainder theorem and factor theorem. Our first question is here, find the remainder without division when 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 4 is divided by x plus 2. First we write name of the polynomial px. Px is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 4. This is we have supposed, so we'll write here let Px is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 4. Now this polynomial we have to divide by x plus 2. So here x plus 2 is a divisor and we can write x plus 2 is equal to 0 for finding value of x, and here we will get value of x is minus 2. This value of x we will replace in the polynomial for finding remainder. Therefore remainder is equal to p of minus 2, and this is equal to 4 minus 2 cube minus 3 minus 2 square plus 2 in bracket minus 2 minus 4. Wherever we have x, we have replaced the value of x, that is minus 2. Now we will simplify it. 4 minus 2 cube is here minus 8, minus 3 minus 2 square is plus 4, 2 into 2 4, and there is minus sign, so we have to write here minus 4 and here minus 4. 8 4s are 32 and there is minus sign, so minus 32, minus 12, minus 4, minus 4. Minus 32 and minus 12 is equal to minus 44, and here minus 4 and minus 4 is equal to minus 8. 4 plus 8 12, carry over 1 and 5, and this is minus 52. Therefore remainder of the polynomial when divided by x plus 2 is here minus 52. Question is here, what number should be added to 3x square plus 7x so that the resulting polynomial is divided by x minus 3. In this case remainder is 2. We don't know the number, so we will suppose here let the number be k. So we will write here let the number be k. So the polynomial px is equal to 3x square plus 7x plus k. This polynomial is divided by x minus 3. So here we have divisor x minus 3, and since remainder is given 2, so we will use here remainder theorem. In the remainder theorem, if a polynomial is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is equal to p of a, where px is the polynomial. So here we will replace value of x, and for finding value of x we will write here this is equal to 0. So x is here 3. By using remainder theorem we can write here p in bracket 3, because value of x is 3, so we will write here 3 is equal to 3. In place of x we will write here value of x, and this is 3, so 3 square. After that plus 7 in bracket 3 plus k, and the remainder is given here 2, so we will write this is equal to 2. 3 square is 9 plus 21 plus k is equal to 2. 9 3s are 27 plus 21 plus k is equal to 2. Therefore k is equal to 2 minus 27 minus 21. We will shift these two on the right hand side. So k is equal to 2 minus 27 and 21 is equal to 48 minus 48. Because both the number have the same sign, so we will add these two, and the addition is here 48 minus 48. 2 minus 48 is equal to minus 46. So the required number is equal to minus 46. So when we add minus 46 in the polynomial 3x square plus 7x and divide the given polynomial by x minus 3, in such case we will get remainder is equal to 2. So minus 46 is the required number. Prove that 4x minus 5 is a factor of 36x square minus 29x minus 20. Hence, factorize the quadratic expression completely. For proving 4x minus 5 is a factor of the given polynomial, we will replace value of x. So first of all, we will write here, let the polynomial be px, and this is equal to 36x square minus 29x minus 20. And since this polynomial is divided by 4x minus 5, so we'll write 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 5, we will write right hand side. So it becomes plus upon 4. So value of x is here 5 by 4. We will replace this 5 by 4 in the polynomial for proving that 4x minus 5 is a factor. So putting x is equal to 5 by 4 in the polynomial, we have p in bracket 5 by 4 is equal to 36 into 5 upon 4 whole square, 29, 5 upon 4 minus 20. 36 as it is, 5 square is 25, 4 square is here 16, 29 into 5. The 5 9s are 45, carry over 4, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 upon 4 minus 20. We can divide it by 4, 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16. 25 into 9 is equal to 225 upon 4 minus 145 upon 4 minus 20. Now after that we will take LCM, and LCM is here 4. So we can write single denominator, that is 4. 225 as it is, 145 is also as it is, and here denominator is 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4, 4 multiplying in numerator, 20 into 4 is equal to 80. 225 as it is, we will add these two. 5 in plus 0 is equal to 5, 4 plus 8 12, carry over 1 2 upon 4. 225 minus 225 is equal to 0, and 0 divided by any number is 0. Now here we are getting remainder 0. Therefore 4x minus 5 is a factor of px. It is proved now. Now for finding factors of the polynomial px, this is 36x square minus 29x minus 20. We will divide this polynomial by 4x minus 5. So 4x minus 5, and here 36x square minus 29x minus 20. Now here we have 36. So what should we multiply in 4? So it becomes 36. We know 4 9s are 36. So we'll multiply here 9, and here we have x, and there is x square. So when we multiply x here, so it becomes x square. So we have to take here x also. So 4x into 9x, we will get here 36. But here we have binomial form, so we have to multiply this 9x in both the parts, 4x minus 5. So we will get here 36x square minus 45x. Now here we have 36x square and here 45x. We will subtract. So minus and here minus minus plus, because we have to subtract, so there is minus sign, and when we multiply minus here, so it becomes plus. We will cancel this. And here 45 minus 29, we will get here 6 and here 1. 16x minus 20. Now we want here 16. So in this part we have to multiply 4. 4 4s are 16, and here x, here also x. So we will take here only 4, and here there is 16x with positive sign. So we want here 16x with positive sign. So we will multiply it by plus 4. 4 multiplying in this is 16x. 4 multiply in minus 5, it becomes minus 20. Again we will subtract, minus 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 plus, cancel this. Here we have got remainder 0. Therefore 9x plus 4 and 4x minus 5 are two factors. And if we want to check our answer, we will multiply 9x plus 4 and 4x minus 5. We will get polynomial px. And our answer is here 9x plus 4 and 4x minus 5. If 4x square minus 1 is a factor of 12x cube plus px square plus qx minus 1, then find value of p and q. Here 4x square minus 1 is a factor, and this 4x square minus 1 we can write x square minus 1 is equal to 2x whole square minus 1 square, and factors are here 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. We have two factors. It means we have to divide the given polynomial by these two factors. So first we write here name of the polynomial. So we write here, let px be the polynomial, and it is equal to 12x cube plus px square plus qx minus 1. First we are taking here divisor 2x minus 1, and we will use here factor theorem. And for factor theorem we have to find here value of x. So we will write here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1, we will write there plus 1 upon 2. So x is here 1 upon 2. We replace x is equal to 1 upon 2 in the polynomial, and since 2x minus 1 is a factor of the px, so when we replace x is equal to 1 by 2 in the polynomial, we will get remainder 0. Putting x is equal to 1 by 2 in px, that means in the polynomial. So p 1 upon 2, therefore p 1 upon 2 is equal to 12 1 upon 2 whole cube, p 1 upon 2 whole square, q 1 upon 2 plus, there is minus 1 is equal to 0. P minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 12 minus 1 by 2 cube is equal to minus 1 upon 8 plus p minus 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2 into q is equal to minus 1 by 2 q minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we can cancel this. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So minus 3 upon 2, because 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Here p by 4 minus 1 upon 2q minus 1 is equal to 0. Or we can write p upon 4 minus q upon 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. We can shift on the right hand side. So plus 3 by 2 minus 1 we can shift this side. So plus 1. Or we can write here after taking LCM, because LCM of 4 and 2 is here 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, multiplying in numerator. 1 into p is here p itself. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 multiplying in numerator 2q. Here LCM is here 2. 2 divided by 2 1, multiplying in numerator. 3 into 1 is 3 itself. 2 divided by 1 is 2, multiplying in numerator. 2 1 ja 2. So we have here p minus 2q upon 4 is equal to 5 by 2. After that we shift this 4 right hand side. P minus 2q is equal to 5 upon 2 into 4. We can cancel it. After cancelling it we will get equation p minus 2q is equal to 5 2s are 10. Now we have two equations. First is here p plus 2q is equal to minus 2, and second is here p minus 2q is equal to 10. We will simplify this equation after adding. So we will add these two. When we add these two, so p plus p it becomes 2p. This is plus sign, minus sign cancelled. 12 minus 2 is here 8. Therefore p is equal to 8 upon 2, and this implies p is equal to 4. Now after that p is equal to 4 we will replace in any equation. So I am putting here p is equal to 4 in p minus 2q is equal to 10. So in place of p we will write here 4. 4 minus 2q is equal to 10. Minus 2q is equal to 10 minus 4. Minus 2q is equal to 6. Therefore q is equal to 6 upon minus 2, or q is equal to minus 3. So we have values. Value of p is here 4 and value of q is here minus 3. Question is here, find factors of x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. And for finding factors we will take here constant number and we find factors of this constant number. So factors of 6 are 6 is divisible by plus 1 as well as minus 1. It is also divisible by 2 as well as minus 2. Similarly 6 is divisible by plus 3 as well as minus 3. It is divisible by plus 6 as well as minus 6. So we can say that these all are the factors of 6, or we can write factors of 6 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 6. Now one by one we will replace this factor in the given polynomial. So first we will put here x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial. And here polynomial px is x cube 6x square plus 11x plus 6. So p of 1 is equal to 1 cube, 6 in bracket 1 square, 11 in bracket 1 plus 6. 1 cube is 1 itself, 1 square is 1, 1 into 6 is here 6, 11 1 ja 11 plus 6. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 11 24. And this 24 is not equal to 0. It means remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, we have suppose here x is equal to 1, and when we shift this 1 left hand side, we will get x minus 1. So we can write x minus 1 is not a factor of px. Next number we will take here, x is equal to minus 1. And again the same method we will use here. We will put here x is equal to minus 1. So putting x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial, we have p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube, 6 minus 1 square, 11 minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 cube is here minus 1 itself. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into 6 is here 6 minus 11 plus 6. Minus 1 and minus 11 is equal to minus 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And here this is equal to 0. Now after replacing x is equal to minus 1, we are getting here remainder 0. Therefore we can say that this minus 1, when we shift here left hand side, will get plus. Therefore we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now we have got one factor of the polynomial and we have to find other factors. So finding other factors, we will divide the given polynomial by the factor that we have calculated, and the factor is here x plus 1. X cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6, and we divide it by x plus 1. Let's see what we'll get here. Here we have x cube and here x. So for making x cube, we have to multiply this by x square. So x square, when we multiply in x plus 1, it becomes x cube, and here x square into 1 is here x square. So the first term is here x square. X square multiplying in these two, we will get here x cube and here x square. Now we will subtract minus minus. It is cancelled now. 6x square minus 1x square is equal to 5x square. Here 11x, here 6. Now we want here 5x square, and here we have only x. So what should we multiply in x? So it becomes 5x square. For finding this, we will divide 5x square by x. We will get here 5x, because x square is cancelled by x, we will get here x. So the next term we will get here plus 5x. Plus 5x is multiplying in first, we will get 5x square. Plus 5x is multiplying in second, we will get only 5x. Again we will do subtraction. It is cancelled now, and here 6x plus 6. Next number we will take here, because here we want 6 and there is nothing, that means 1. So 1 multiplied by 6, we will get 6 plus 6, and 6 multiplying in this 6x plus 6. Again subtraction, cancel this, and we will get in such case remainder 0. Remainder is here 0, and quotient is here x square plus 5x plus 6, and divisor is here x plus 1. Dividend is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. So this dividend have two factors. First is here x square plus 5x plus 6. Other is here x plus 1. Now again we will find factors of this first part by splitting the middle term. 2 3s are 6 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we can write 5 as 2x plus 3x and this 6 as it is. This we can simplify. From first two terms we will take x common. So we have x plus 2. From last two terms we will take 3 common. Here we have x plus 2, here x plus 2, and here also x plus 2. So we will take x plus 2 common from both the parts. So here x plus 2 and here x plus 3. Now we have two factors of this, x plus 2 and x plus 3. So we can write here x plus 2, x plus 3, and one factor is here x plus 1. are the factors of px, and px is your polynomial. Now the question is here, the polynomial px is equal to px cube minus 7x square plus qx plus 3 is divisible by x plus 1. Divisible by x plus 1, the meaning is here, in such case x plus 1 is a factor of px. So we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of px. Like 12 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2, it means remainder in such case 0. So we can say that 2 is a factor of 12. Similarly, this px is divisible by x plus 3. So we will get remainder 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of px. Similarly, px is divisible by x plus 1 and remainder is here 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of px. If x plus 1 is a factor of px, so in such case remainder is equal to 0. Now we will put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial px for calculating variable p. X plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 1. Putting x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial px. Therefore we have p of minus 1. Now we will calculate p of minus 1. Is equal to p in bracket minus 1 cube 7 minus 1 square q minus 1 plus 3, and remainder is here 0, so we will write here 0. Minus 1 cube is here minus 1, multiplying in p, minus 1 p. Minus 1 square is plus 1 is multiplying in 7, minus 7. Minus 1 in multiplying in cube, minus 1 cube. Plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have minus p minus q minus 3 plus minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4, and this is equal to 0. Minus p minus q is equal to plus 4. So we have first equation, minus p minus q is equal to 4. Now the second thing is given in this question, when the given polynomial is divided by 2x minus 1. Now here 2x minus 1 is your divisor. Then the remainder is equal to minus 15 upon 8. So we have to find here another equation. We will replace value of x. So we can write here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. This x is equal to 1 by 2 we will replace in the polynomial. So p of 1 by 2 is equal to, wherever we have x we will write here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cube, p in bracket 1 by 2 cube minus 7, 1 upon 2 square, q 1 upon 2 plus 3. And the remainder is here minus 15 by 8. So we can write this is equal to minus 15 by 8. So here p into 1 by 8, 7 into 1 by 4, q into 1 by 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 15 upon 8. Now after that we can write this p upon 8, because when p is multiplying in 1 it becomes p, and here 7 upon 4, q upon 2, 3, and here minus 15 upon 8. This can be written as p upon 8 plus q upon 2 is equal to minus 15 upon 8 plus 7 upon 4 minus 3. When we shift this on the right hand side we have to change sign. So this becomes positive and this one becomes negative. After that we will take here LCM. This is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, multiplying in numerator. So 1 into P is P itself. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplying in numerator. So 4 into Q is equal to 4Q. Is equal to, here LCM is 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 multiplying in numerator. So minus 15. 8 divided by 4 is 2 multiplying in numerator 14. 8 divided by 1 is 8 itself multiplying in numerator 24. Now here we have 8 here and here. So this 8 we will shift on the right hand side. Q is equal to minus 7 we will replace in this equation. So we have P plus 4 in bracket minus 7 is equal to minus 25. Therefore P is equal to minus 25. 7 4s are 28, minus 28 when we write on right hand side, so it becomes plus 28. This implies P is equal to 3 because 28 minus 25 is equal to 3. Now we have value of P and Q. So we will replace this value in the polynomial. Px is given Px cube 7x square plus Qx plus 3. We shift this value here, so we have polynomial 3x cube 7x square plus value of Q is here minus, so minus 7x plus 3. After this we have to find factors of the given polynomial. So we will divide 3x cube minus 7x square minus 7x plus 3 by x plus 1, because in the question it is given x plus 1 is one factor of the given polynomial. Now again here we want 3x cube. So what should we multiply in x? So it becomes 3x cube. For finding that number we will divide 3x cube by x. X when we divide this one we will get here x square. So we will get here 3x square. When we multiply 3x square in x, we will get 3x cube. 3x square in 1, we will get 3x square. Again, we will write here minus sign. We have to subtract. This is plus, this one is negative. We can cancel it. Minus 7 minus 3, it becomes minus 10x square. Minus 7x plus 3. Now we have here minus 10x square. We have to find such a number when we multiply in x. So it becomes minus 10x square. For finding that number, we will divide minus 10x square by x. Let's see what we'll get here. We will get minus 10. X square is divided by x. We will get only x. So number is here minus 10x. First number is here 3x square. Second number is here minus 10x. Minus 10x multiplying in first, so it becomes x square, multiplying in the second term, so minus 10x plus we can cancel it. Now we have here plus 3x plus 3. If we multiply 3 in this part, plus 3, so we will get here 3x and here also 3x. We can cancel it, so we will get here remainder 0. So we have here (3x square minus 10x plus 3) as a quotient, and divisor is here x plus 1. So one factor is here x plus 1. We have to find other factors of the given polynomial. For finding this, we will find factors of 3x square minus 10x plus 3. We will use splitting the middle term form. So 3 and 3 is equal to 9. We have to find factors of 9. So we know 9 1 ja 9. 9 multiply by 1 is equal to 9. And 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we can split the middle term by writing minus 9x minus 1x, and here this is 3. We will take common from here 3x. So inside v of x minus 3, we will take common minus 1 inside v of x minus 3. X minus 3 here, x minus 3 here also. So we can take x minus 3 from both the parts common. Here inside 3x, here nothing, that means 1. So we'll write here minus 1. X minus 3 and 3x minus 1 are the remaining two factors. So the given polynomial we can write in the form of three factors. First factor x plus 1, second factor x minus 3, and the third factor 3x minus 1. And when we multiply all these three, we will get the polynomial. So these are the three factors of the given polynomial. Thank you.